Hello my lovely friends, welcome back. I'm here to show you guys is a power poultry roaster which we'll be using, and I'll show you how it turns out and how to use it. And here we have ordered a fall box from Need Love Bakery. The link or the Instagram page info will be in the description box. Follow this young baker and show her some love and support, and stay tuned with the preparation of Thanksgiving dinner tomorrow. So friends, I have ordered halal turkey, and it's young turkey. It's a product of Canada, and I think the brand is Fatma Zabia Foods. So friends, I'm going to take 4 tablespoons, which is like this big of a spoon of yogurt, 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste, 4 tablespoons for this big bird, lemon juice, 2 tablespoons of black pepper, some oregano leaves, which is 3 tablespoons, 2 tablespoons of salt, also some paprika for taste, which is 1 teaspoon. I'm also melting 1 stick of unsalted butter. So friends, I'm done marinating it. Have a look. I have made some splits, and then this is how it looks like. I'm going to cover it up with the foil and leave it overnight. So friends, this is ready. The first thing I'll do is to take it out of the refrigerator, and then I'll put it for baking at 2 o'clock or 2:30 p.m. So see you guys tomorrow. The pasta going in the oven. Now he is using a twine and just tying the legs together for a better presentation. Actually, the hands, which are delicate, we are securing it here with a toothpick. Okay, this is how we need to place it in this non-stick roaster pan. It looks good. Just a melted seasoned butter with a little bit of salt and ground black pepper. Wow. I also want to say I'm very thankful for having all my friends, family, and such a helping husband who always tries to help whenever he could. So this is ready. The oven is preheated at 450 degrees, and this thing is going in the lowest bottom rack. This is how it looks like, nicely. So my lovely viewers, here is everything ready. I want to show you how this turkey came out, perfectly done in 65 minutes. This is my Thanksgiving menu. I'm really giving thanks for everything I have in my life. Have a look. Cranberry sauce, mashed potatoes, some dinner rolls. This is the pasta, stuffing. you all had a great Thanksgiving dinner. We are having it very quiet and just within our family. I'm missing all my family and friends, and just wishing everyone a safe 2020, a safe and fun Thanksgiving weekend. I would love to see everyone just like a normal Thanksgiving next year. So in the next video, take good care of yourself, enjoy the Thanksgiving weekend, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and share my videos. Till next time, take good care. Bye bye.